All you need to make butter is just fresh double cream. As much as the fat in your cream is higher, that much you get more butter. That's all you need. Just pour the fresh cream inside a container which is a bit tall, and then we are going to beat it, and you will see how within a few short minutes you are going to have butter, and you're going to have buttermilk as well. At the beginning, the fresh cream is going to look like a whipped cream, but we are going to continue beating it until the water will get separated from the fat and we get two nice things. One is butter and the other one is buttermilk. I'm going to show you the process. As you can see, now we are having a whipping cream. We continue to beat it until the water and fat separates. I'm going to transfer this to another one so that I can show you better what is going to happen. As you can see, the water starts separating from the fat, and we are going to have soon our butter and buttermilk. Just continue to beat it until all the water separates. Okay, as you can see, my butter is separated from the buttermilk. Now ready to go for the next step. Next step is to transfer the butter inside the ice cold water and squeeze it and shape it and try to get rid of all the excess water, because we do not want our butter to develop molds after that. So we make sure there is not much water left in the fat, and we are going to refrigerate it after. Here it is, our pure nice butter. So we are going to go to the next step. So what we are going to do with all the water left, which is basically buttermilk, do not throw this one. This is so good. You can just store it and use it in different kinds of recipes and baking. You can use it for making cakes, cupcakes, and also for any kind of soup. You can use this one. It's so great, tastes amazing, and makes your recipe even more flavorful. This step is about forming your butter. I'm going to form it in a square shape because this step is the step that the butter is still soft, and you can just form it as you desire. So I'm going to form it and then wrap it around some paper and then refrigerate it to solidify completely.